Hello traders, Gary Wagner here, approximately 9:15 in Honolulu, 3:15 in New York on Tuesday, the 2nd day of June, 2015, and this is the daily report for gold and silver. We do have the precious metals firming modestly today. Gold currently trading up almost $5, $4.60. Current print is a $11.9330. It's had a high of $96.40 and a low of $85.80. Silver is also trading higher, up about 9 cents on the day, high 84 and the low 61. So traders, even with the market up modestly today, the technical indicators and studies that we are looking at are still pointing to a potential downturn or lower pricing. Specifically in gold, we're looking at a very, very short-term chart, 240 minutes. And when we look at this chart, we can look at the final count here, which is a B, a C. That's what takes us up to about 1230. And from there, we get a 5 count down. 1, 2, 3. And it is my current take that we've probably exhausted our 4th wave. You can see that it's gone to the upper band. And when we talked about a price last week, the high I was looking at was about 1205. So I do believe that we could absolutely see this market move under pressure. If it does, it could easily take out this current low. And so I still believe we have a real good opportunity on the short side to really witness some profits in this market. So I've moved over to a very long-term chart. This is actually a weekly chart, candlestick format, but really what I'm looking at on this chart is the one pattern that we have been looking at and identify as a head and shoulders. And that's also something that is indicating the potential for lower pricing ahead. So traders, the real news today is not so much about the moderate gain that we have in gold, currently trading up about 390, but that's factoring in the dollar. Take a look at this dollar on a daily chart. Absolute meltdown, as you can see this market moving from about 97.30 down to below 96. Now, when we look at our Kitco Gold Index, what you'll see is as follows. Let's go ahead and get this in a little bit, but it's quite interesting in that dollar weakness is given gold roughly $18 of value, but there's some real selling going on, $14 worth of it, and that's why we've even got a positive gain on the day. It's all about this dollar, which is incredibly weak and selling off quite hard. So traders, as far as silver goes, we've got silver up nominally today, but you've got to realize, again, 26 cents is a weak US dollar, negative 22 cents is selling in the market. When we take a look at our current Elliott wave count, the way that we're seeing it is we've obviously have been in a bear count, but we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, a long 5th wave, which takes us into our A, our B, and our C, assuming that the market scenario, in other words, the fundamentals which have been driving silver down are still in the market, we can expect to see another wave, and this time a wave 1 down. This has been Gary Wagner, wishing you as always good trading. We will talk to you tomorrow for another daily update review. Bye-bye.